Good afternoon and welcome to our Atomy one-day seminar. My name is Trixie, a proud Atomian for a year now, currently a retail store manager in one of the known retailers in New Zealand, former flight attendant, and training and events assistant in one of the prestige cosmetic brands known internationally and locally. As an individual introduced to the beauty of Atomy, I have first-hand experience on how to have a look and feel of prestige cosmetic brands. Atomy Absolute Skincare has captivated my curiosity, especially with its overall prestige quality and prestige price. So, as we dive into the 6 technologies that makes Absolute possible, my question to each and every one of you, have you tried the beauty of Absolute? Yes? If yes, I know after feeling and smelling the aroma of the product, you will never forget it. And if not yet, hoping after this presentation, you will ask our friendly Atomians who invited you today to let you experience the journey with us, and as we dive into what are the 6 technologies. First core technology is the high purity botanical EGF. Very technical, epidermal growth factor, it says, which stimulates cell growth, quickly and accurately extracted by utilizing the wild plant system. Dormin, on the other hand, using Dormin technology to help regulate, cycle, and balance the skin. Osmite fermentation infiltrate, a skin protective substance from a 100-year-old metasequoia tree. If you guys are familiar with the redwood in Rotorua, metasequoia tree is part of it, contains a secret of longevity DNA. The next one is the lupin protein that strengthens the dermis, epidermal junction, which is important bridge to the skin in structure. Now, you will see the code Absolute code AL, Absolute code brightening, which is BR, Absolute code LI is lifting. The other technology is the ligand, a molecule that binds receptors. So receptor, on the other hand, these are protein molecule found in cell membranes. So imagine a circle that receives signals. This is like the binders that target the skin, the need of your skin. Peptide A, this is for your wrinkles. Peptide B decreases elasticity. Peptide C is for darkening, freckles, and all of those stuff. Now, we have the Atomy 6 systems, which are 4 key technologies. One of the pure technology is the high purification technology. The green tea leaves that are picked during April and May are packed for long-term use. But due to the state-of-the-art technology that Atomy uses, it eliminates the continuous oxidation process of the green tea. The second is the fresh herb extraction biotechnology. This idea was derived from Korea's ancestors who brewed traditional tea, which was picked, extracted, and processed the same day to yield high content and concentration of extracts. Now, fermentation technology. The likes of active ingredients, which is Philinus linthus, mind me with my words, proved to have anti-tumor effects on the skin, the lung, and prostate cancer cells. It is very famous Oriental medicine, mushroom and cordyceps. The mushrooms that have antioxidant properties are actively transferred to help care for healthy skin. Now we have is the concentrated microcompound capsule technology. It's very long. You've got the capsule technology, previously known as multiple liquid crystalline membrane encapsulation. So this is the part where in the encapsulation of those technology, and now it's upgraded. So being the Atomy Absolute, our base is green tea. So the good thing about green tea, which is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, help reduce irritation and redness. For some of you, you might have felt that using the Atomy Absolute skincare. Now the smell of it, tuberose. So it came from the asparagus family. It's a native of Mexico. It's a night blooming plant. So it's a nocturnal plant. Knowing small details like this will help us all. So it's very sweet smelling as well. As we see Absolute Clinic program, you will see the AL, the All Might. Now learning the technology from the 6 care system, we dive into each of them in the importance and how important it is to use it as a system. It's not like I will just use the toner today, nutrition cream tomorrow. It is a system that the 6 steps has to be followed individually. So we go and dive into Absolute Toner. Simple steps to follow. You've got that one. The Absolute Toner have 15% of Absolute Code BR. Absolute Code BR is brightening. You have the Absolute Ampoule on the other hand. The maximum benefit by using 1 bottle intensely for a month. So that the cycle of the skin, it's natural turnover cycle. Very important to take note with this. The glass opoid. Make sure it doesn't touch your skin when you drop it on your face so that it will not contaminate the product. Absolute Serum. 20% of Absolute Code AL. So this is the Lift All Might. So this is the full on the skin. Now we've got the Absolute Lotion. 10% of Absolute Code LI. So it's still lifting effect. As we dive in, Absolute Eye Complex is 20% of Absolute Code AL. The percentage are very important. That's why it works as a system. And then the last will be Absolute Nutrition Cream. 20% of each, again, is the Absolute Code LI, lifting. Now, as we conclude, I am encouraging each one to educate how they can benefit and use our Atomy Absolute set. Thank you very much.